Hi everyone, we have this problem. How do you solve this? You can pause the video and try it yourself first. We will start solving it in 3, 2, 1 now. Okay, so we have to calculate this particular angle, right? So in order to do that, what we will do is we will take this center and we will drop a perpendicular from this center to this point. Basically, we will join this center to the point where the circle touches the tangent. Okay, so once we do that, it will look something like this. Okay, all right. Now we have it here. So we will try to drop is a perpendicular from this center to this tangent itself. How will it look? It will look something like this. Okay, and why did you do that? Because we are trying to find out the length of this particular tangent, right? So basically from this point to this point, what, right? So yeah, so another task is left, that is we will try to drop a perpendicular from this center as well to this tangent. Okay, we do it like this. Okay, all right. Now that we have it here, we will try to find out this length, this red length that is over here. Okay, so because this is a perpendicular, this is 90 degree, this is a perpendicular, this is 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. So by default this will also be 90 degree, right? So basically what we are trying to say is that we have this highlighted length. Let us look at that. Okay, this highlighted area, this is a rectangle. Yeah, all right, this is a rectangle, and so we'll have this area as a right angle triangle. Okay, so this length is 6 and this is 2, so this whole length will be 8. No, all right, this is 8, and what will be of this length? This length is simply 6 minus 2. Why? Because this length is 2, right? Okay, so we'll have this length as 6 plus 2 whole square minus 6 minus 2 whole square and under root of this whole thing. Yeah, so 64 minus 16 under root of that. So this turns out to be under root 48, which will in turn become 4 root 3. Yeah, okay, so we have the length of the tangent. So basically this length we have, right? All right, fine. So let us take another step forward. Okay, so yeah, we have this length. Yeah, so we have this red length as 4 root 3. Okay, so if this angle is theta, what we can write is 4 root 3 by 6 plus 2. This is sine theta. No, because what we are essentially doing is we are doing this by this. Okay, all right, all right. So sine theta is simply equals to 4 root 3 by 8, that is root 3 by 2. All right, we have it. So from this we can write that theta is simply equals to 60 degree. So we have the measure of theta. Now what we will do is we will drop a perpendicular from this point to this point as well. Okay, so by the nature of symmetry we will have this as theta. Okay, and we have also joined this center here, right? So let us take this angle to be phi. Okay, so what we can write is this is 90 degree, so this is 90 degree minus phi, and this is also 90 degree minus phi, right? So we can write that this angle, that is 120 degree, right, plus this angle, that is theta, plus this angle which is also theta, plus this angle which is 90 degree minus phi, and this angle which is again 90 degree minus phi, this should be equals to 360 degree, right? 360 degree. Now from this we can simplify this, and this will become 120 degree plus 2 theta plus 180 degree minus 2 phi equals to 360 degree. No, all right, now we have the value of theta as well, right? Theta is 60 degree, so we'll substitute that. So this is 120 degree plus 2 into 60 degree plus 180 degree minus 360 degree, that is equals to 360, that is equals to 2 5. No, we are taking this 2 5 this side of the equation. Okay, all right. So we'll write it again. So this is 240 minus 180 degree, right? 240 because 120 into 1 plus 120, right? So that is 240 minus 180 degree. This is 25, and that simply equals to 60 degree, right? So we have gotten, so basically what we had to find out, we have to find out 2 5, right? Because this, both of these angles are 5, so 2 5 is equals to 60 degree, and that is why what we set out to, and that is what we tried to calculate, right? So yeah, so this, that is our answer. We will have this, right? So let us see what we'll have. So this was the angle that we set out to become, that is 2 5, and that is 60 degree. Yeah, so this is how we solve this problem, and hopefully you like this video. Share it with your friends if it adds some value to you, and yeah, see you in another video with another this type of problem, and we will continue our quant journey, math journey. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you again.